Hi, this is Dean from Garment Printer Inc. For some time now, we've had replacement bags for Brother GT3 series garment printers. We have Image Armor and GPI brand replacement bags, of course in CMYK and white colors. But what I wanted to show here is how to open up the Brother GT3 cartridge. As you guys know, this is just one humongous, complicated cartridge. Beautifully made, not too hard to get into, but sometimes you need to show somebody how to do it. So let me get busy on that. You need 3 tools. We sell these trimming shears on our site. You can get them actually anywhere, but we have them for a really good price. These are going to break the clips that are on that cartridge. You need a very small, skinny screwdriver and a razor. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be trimming like the locks that are on these clips. There's 12 of them around the cartridge. We have to break off this little clip that's holding it locked. We'll use the screwdriver to pry the piece out, and we'll use the razor blade to cut the label on either side. So let me show you the clips. I don't know if we can see them here, but these are the clips holding the top of this cartridge in place. And like I said, there's 12 of them. So you're gonna take your trimming shears, oops. You're gonna put it on top of your cartridge so that your blade is coming from the bottom. And you're gonna cut it on either side. And probably the piece is gonna fall right out. If it doesn't, you can take your screwdriver and pop that piece out. As long as you get the middle chunk out, you're doing good. So you're gonna go along and you're gonna cut all these blocks, or locks, whatever you wanna call them, obstructions. There's another one, you can see that. So, when you've cut all the visible clips that you can see around the cartridge, that's when you want to attack these 2 hidden ones that are underneath the label. You can feel they're right towards the end of the cartridge. So I can see them right through the label. Got that one. There's this one right here. Then what we're gonna wanna do is cut this label so that we can pop it open a lot easier. So you'll see that a razor goes right underneath the lip of the cartridge. So that's all done. Then we wanna get the front. Okay, now we are ready to pop it open. All right, to pop this open, we're gonna take our screwdriver again, and we're gonna go right in between this little lever or clip. We're just gonna pop this cartridge open carefully. Once you think you have it loose, this might be enough. Just take it off. Might take some maneuvering. All right. So you see there's a lever inside the cartridge. That's the ink indicator. We're going to want to take that out really carefully. There's a spring that's holding it. We're going to lift that up, actually. We're not going to take it out. Piece of plastic on top of that. I'll pull this bag out. It's taped in there. Get your new replacement bag of the GPI brand Brother GT3 replacement ink. It's folded over inside this bag for nice, easy shipping. Open it up, flatten out the bag. You're going to want to put the bag nozzle in down. Lift the arm up, get the edge of the bag in, and just drag the nozzle up till it fits in position. And that's it. So now you got this cartridge in there, the indicator is working. Take the top of your cartridge, put it back on, snap it all down, and it's ready to use. The GPI brand replacement bags are $99 each. Over $150 gives you free shipping. You can get there by going to garmentprinterinc.com.